I always think that my life is just a phase of lessons, good or bad. But it dawned on me that life is a lesson to be learned, a roller coaster ride of what is meant to be, and not because of what you think of me. Give me one good reason why I should give up on me. Give me one good reason why I should seek approval from the next person. Go Valempilo, Lempilo, que I'm in jail. Tell me, tell me. Tell me. Some things make sense, some things don't, but I keep going through the highs and lows, trying to understand what this life really means. Give me one good reason why I should give up on me. Give me one good reason why I should seek approval from the next person. Go Valempilo, Lempilo, que I'm in jail. Tell me, tell me. Tell me. This life is mine, I will live it the way I want to. Give me one good reason why I should give up on me. Give me one good reason why I should seek approval from the next person. Go Valempilo, Lempilo, yeah, I'm in jail. Tell me, tell me. Tell me. This life is mine. Yeah, I'm in jail.